All right, got another perfect job for the old brush glide. They had me out the other day and I did 4 bedrooms and pulled most of the furniture out, put it on the vinyl. Yep, that sheet vinyl. And did the 4 bedrooms. And I didn't realize when they said all the floors, they meant all the floors. So you can see they're fabulosoed out. 2 kids. A little bit of a ranchette out here in the Smith Valley of Nevada. So they asked me to come back while they're on vacation and do all these vinyl, more vinyl. This is the kind of vinyl where all this pitting and the faux slate quartzite type look. A lot of that darkness is actually dirty mop water. Got a little bit of tile, cheap good old porcelain, and more of that. So I'm going to do a quick dust mop and then pour down I don't know. I'd love to try that new HydroMaster LVP cleaner. I hear good things about that. That's on the way for testing on this. Who knows? Whatever's in the Hydroforce right now is not going to hurt this floor, and it'll rinse easy. And then do an AFR rinse, all fiber rinse. And it'll take me half the time to do as if this were carpet, because I don't have to worry about wicking or 3 or 4 dry strokes. And I'll be able to get right to the edge and under the fridge and all the corners and alongside the registers and all these goofy angles, just as if it were carpet, with my Devastator and soon to be Sapphire. Or Sapphire glides are days away from being available. Well, take that back, a couple weeks. I got the demos coming in next week, and be able to get under there without moving that. Oh boy, that's a stubborn one. Anyhow, let me get half the prep work done. I'll be back. So I like to use a OP bonnet for doing the final mop down to get rid of any excess water, footprints, belly button lint and so forth. Small jobs, furniture, whatnot. I'll use, oh, Mr. Fly, somehow you avoided the vacuum. Oh, you're talented. I'll use the, whatchamacallit, flat mops, but this being 3 to 4 times the size is going to hold more moisture and just do a quicker job. Yeah, because I use an all fiber rinse, I really don't need to do this. It just looks nice when I leave, but nobody's home, and it would dry up beautifully without any streaks or whatnot. But it's kind of a nice final touch. But these, I've never seen so much vinyl in one house, but these bathrooms cleaned up great. I think this whole thing, you know, this large living room, the large dining room, that kitchen, the master, this whole area from start to finished took me less than an hour and a half. And I could charge carpet cleaning rates, you know, whatever, 50 cents a foot, and make out like a bandit on something like this. But I, you know, The whole premise of this is do every surface, which I did all their carpet the other day. Furniture, some furniture, not that furniture. Yeah, this is all while they're on vacation. But keep an eye on greenglides.com. We have the Devastator 12 and 14 available now. Sapphire, Titanium 12 and 14 should be available another couple of weeks. ProChem Titanium after that. Evolutions after that. And if we can get the AW29 to work, that'll go next. And then we'll move on to some Westpacs more than likely. But these people, heck, last time I cleaned this floor was when they moved in, like 4 years ago. But through emails and Facebook and all that, they were aware that I do all these other hard surfaces, so this is the perfect time when they're gone. And that's how you want to market it to your customers. Hey, when you're gone on vacation, have us come in and clean every inch. This one cleaned up nice too. All right, I gotta get out of here. Over and out. Later.